St. Mary man accused of raping 12-year-old girl. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A St. Mary man has been charged after he allegedly locked a 12-year-old girl inside his house in Barracks River, Richmond in the parish and raped her. Charged with unlawful detention with intent to have sexual intercourse and rape is 56-year-old Trevor Michelin, otherwise called Indian. Reports are that the 12-year-old child went to Michelin's home around 4 p.m. on Friday, August the 4th to collect items when she was locked inside the house and sexually assaulted. Michelin allegedly locked the child inside a room. The child managed to escape and made a report to the police. He was charged on Wednesday, September the 6th after being pointed out in an identification parade. His court date is to be arranged. Continuing the news, body of 23-year-old woman found days after suspected drowning in St. Elizabeth. The police are probing a suspected case of drowning involving a woman whose body was found on Thursday in a river 4 days after she was reported missing in Silo, St. Elizabeth. Police named the woman as Kashiba Brown, aged 23 years old, otherwise called Cash, a resident of Silo district in northern St. Elizabeth. Councillor for the area, Mr. Myers from the People's National Party Silo Division. Councillor Myers from the People's National Party Silo Division told reporters that Brown's body was retrieved by citizens from the river around 1 p.m. on Thursday. The police confirmed that the citizens found the body and alerted them. Councillor Myers said that he knew Brown personally, reported that the community is devastated following her death. The body was found by citizens in the river behind the Shiloh Basic School. She is originally from Union, but she was also in Windsor area Shiloh too. It is very unfortunate for a person who you know so well from the community to lose their life in such a manner. This according to Councillor Myers. Reports suggest that Brown drowned after she went swimming in the river near Windsor Bridge on Sunday. A search was organized by a resident and ended on Thursday when the body was found. On Wednesday, residents blocked the roadway in the community as they demand assistance from the police to conduct the search. Myers commended the residents for locating the body to give Brown's family closure. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.